So meter reading last time, meter reading this time, so we can work out the units used. So remember, when we work out the units used, we need to take away that from here. So I've got 6469, okay, take away the figure before it, 4865, and I get 1604. So many units have been used there, okay. Now, each unit is 12.5 pence, it says on my bill here. So, because we've used 1,604 units, I've got to multiply this by 12.5, yeah, to work up the total. So we've got some working room down here to do that. And if I type that in my calculator, I get the answer out. But remember, this answer, you know, you're not going to write that there, aren't you? Because this is like 20,050. Okay, you'd be a bit worried if you had that as a bill. But remember, that's in pence. So you've got to divide that then by 100 to get it in terms of pounds. And we get £200.50. Okay. We've then got the quarterly charge, which gets added on. So I need to add them on there. Okay. So if I do that, I get £230.76. Okay. So that's the total charge before VAT. Okay. By adding these two together, the electricity and the quarterly charge. I get this here. Now I've got to do the VAT, the VAT. So I've got to add on. So I've got to work out 5% of this. So I've got to do 5% of £230.76. Now remember, 5% as a decimal is 0.05. So you just got to times 0.05 by 230.76, and I get my 5%. And that comes out to be 11.54. In fact, when I typed it in my calculator, I got 11.538. So I got to chop that off because I only want 2 decimal places. And of course, that will round up to a 4. So then I've got this as well then. So there's the VAT, okay, which I need to add on to this. Okay, but I've also got balance from previous quarter. Now, balance from previous quarter means they didn't pay enough last time. Okay, so actually they still owe £17.82 from last time. So you need to add that on as well. So my calculator, I'm going to do 230.76 plus 11.54 plus 17.82. Okay, we'll add those three values together and we get £260.12. Okay, so that's the total bill there. The charge with the units used and the quarterly charge, which is this here. This is the total of those two. The VAT we calculated, which we need to add on, and then the balance from last time we also need to add on. However, there's credits here on the account. Now, credit is a good thing, okay? Credits on the account. So this is what they've already paid. They've already paid in the previous months direct debit from their accounts, £80, £80. So that's already been paid towards this. They've also received a discount, okay, because they pay by direct debit. So what we need to do is work out what all this adds up to see, okay, how much they've already paid towards this bill. So they paid in advance, haven't they? So if I add those three values together, I get £266.25. So this all adds up to £266.25, and their bill is £260.12. So actually, if you think about it, they've already paid their bill, haven't they? And they've paid over. They paid more than what they should have. So they're in credit. So what I can see is work out now how much more they've paid than they needed to. So if I just take away this from £266.25, you can see they've overpaid by £6.13. So here, where it says balance to carry forward, next quarter, you put £6.13, but you'll put CR next to it as well to show that they've got a credit. So that will help to pay towards their next bill.